Hi, hello. Chapter 1. Okay. Chapter 1. CHAPTER. Chapter 1. Okay. Using B. B. What is your name? For example, what is your name? W. WHAT. What is your name? Name. NAM. Name. My name is Yoko. Where are you from? Where are you, where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Japan. I am from Japan. Example. Okay. Okay. Exercise. EXERCISE. Exercise 1. Let's LETS. Let's talk. 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 Class activity. Class CLASS. Class activity. 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 Directions. 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 Okay. Directions. Ask your classmates. 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 Their name. THEIR. Their names. 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 Their names. Write the WRITE. Write their. 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 Their first names. FIRST. First names. Names, 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 in the spaces, 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 blow, below, blow, blow. You can also, can also, also, ask, ask, them, them, what, what, city or country, city, city or country, country, country they are from, they are from. Okay, first name, first name, name, first name. Next, city or country, city, city or country, 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 Muhammad. Okay, and city or country, Japan. Okay, please fill the blanks. Thank you.